It's time for another custom keyboard with some keycaps that I got from the TikTok shop and a keyboard that I got from there. My son's gonna help me out. Let's do this. Let the low taper faded man cook. Quick little update. All right, fam, this is what it looks like with all the keycaps off. This is what switches look like. And these are what the keycaps look like that we're gonna replace it with. Oh yeah, looking real toasty. Yo, how epic did this come out? Look at it. Look at it. Here's some of the lighting patterns. What y'all think about it, man? I love them.